Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to convert a decimal number to a binary number. If you are new in this channel, just hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Without further ado, let's get started. If you convert a decimal number to a binary number, we need to know the process. Divide the decimal number by the base of binary number. Binary number base is 2. Let's move on to the practical part. We have the number 48. Now we divide by binary base. Binary base is 2. Divide 48 by 2, we will get 24 and remainder would be 0. Divide 24 by 2, we will get 12 and remainder would be 0. Divide 12 by 2, we will get 6 and remainder would be 0. Divide 6 by 2, we will get 3 and remainder would be 0. Divide 3 by 2, we will get 1 and remainder would be 1. Divide 1 by 2, we will get 0 and remainder would be 1. Now count the remainders from the bottom to top. You get the complete binary number of this decimal.